Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a list with duplicate names in it, and then we're going to remove those duplicate names by converting it into a set. So I'm going to create a function, called name list. Okay, that's the name of the function, and the list is called names. We'll just populate it with some names. So I'm going to put Joe, and I'm going to put another duplicate in there, Joe, Bill, Pete, and let's do another Bill. So we've got some duplicates in there. Let's just print it out first. So we're going to print, and this is going to be type here. That's going to be names. So we're going to check out what type it is there. So do name list. Okay, let's save that. Let's run it. Okay, so there we have it. It says class list. So we know that's a list. Right, so we want to remove these duplicates here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to convert it into a set. Okay, so we're going to call it unique names. Assign it to set here. It's going to be names, the list. Right. And now I'm going to print unique. Whoops. Made a bit of a mistake there. Unique names. I'm going to add unique names there. Right, so we're just going to save that. I'm going to run it. Okay, so it's removed the duplicates, and what we'll do here, we'll also do another print statement. Simply type and then unique names. Okay, let's just save that. Let's just run it. There we go. Class is a set. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.